About structure of EIA. The structure of EIA, why we are discussing this? Because we need to make a uniform structure of environmental impact assessment report. So for that purpose, EIA notification 2006 has listed the chapters of EIA. Here it is. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, chapter number 2 is project description. Number 3, description of the environment. Chapter number 4, anticipated environmental impact and mitigation measures. Number 5 is analysis of alternatives in terms of technology and site as well. Chapter number 6, environmental monitoring program. Chapter number 7, additional studies. 8 is project benefit. 9 is environmental cost benefit analysis. Number 10 is environmental management plan. 11 is summary and conclusion, and 12 is disclosure of consultant engaged. And you can see on the right there is a cover page, covering letter addressing to the member secretary, where we have to submit the EIA. Before going to the chapterization of the EIA, we have to think about cover page, content of the second page of EIA. Cover page should have one project name, means EIA for which type of project, capacity, proponent name, consultant name, NABED approval number, lab used, NABL accreditation number, MOF approval number, monitoring period, and public hearing if applicable. When public hearing has been conducted for this project, we have to mention. And on the second page, that is undertaking from the consultant side and from the proponent side also. And third page, that is EC and FA. EIA coordinators and functional area expert should sign about their role for this EIA. So now we'll discuss in detail for the EIA chapters. First chapter, it is the introduction. Introduction about what? Introduction about exactly the project and EIA. Means first we have to write about the purpose of the report. Second, identification of the project and its proponent who is proposing that are expanding their project. Brief description of nature, size, location of the project and its importance to the country and the region. Region means the local region. Then scope of the study, like regulatory authorities as per term of reference. Overall context of the project. Then identification of project and proponent. Any notifications, restrictions under Environmental Protection Act or Air Act, Water Act. Then applicability of EIA notification, Forest Conservation Act, Wildlife Protection Act, CR notification to that land area. And if any court case litigation, then we have to mention in chapter 1. Applicability of specific condition, general condition as per EIA notification. And additional study, additional TAR if approved by the CREA. In case of expansion or modernization, then we have to add these all things. One is status of previous AC compliances and CCA compliance in terms of air and water consent orders, hazardous waste, and directions issued under Air Act or Water Act by SPCB, and compliances to the term of reference. And chapters 1 should have also applicable act, applicable rules, notifications, protocols, environmental norms, local restrictions, etc. if they have. And now chapter 2, it should have the type of project and its capacity, like in terms of project description. So location, where the location map should have all 4 attributes. One India, then the state, then the district map, and finally toposit map, or simply we can say Google image of that area, 10 km or 5 km. Then size or magnitude of the operation, project schedule, technology and process description, mass balance, water balance, and representations of layout, drawings, and aspect impact analysis. On that basis, mitigation measures on design basis.